everyone, and welcome back to my channel. In today's video I'm going to show you my everyday makeup routine. This is what I do every day just to make myself feel better, just to wake myself up, and this is typically what I've been doing to get ready for the day. So that is sunscreen with moisturizer I'm applying right now. Even though we're in the house all day, you still need to put on moisturizer with sunscreen because sunscreen is what's needed to protect your skin from UVB rays, and it also helps with hyperpigmentation as far as it stops the sun from pigmentating your skin. I use a black eyebrow pencil to fill in my brows, and that's because I have dark brows anyway. So I was using brown, but I like the look of my brows when I use the black pencil. And here I'm doing the old school carve out with the LA Pro Girl concealer. That's in the color of fawn, and on the top that is chestnut, I think. So I'm just going to fill in my brows, carve them out up T-break, and buff them out there. Right, so I'm just gonna go ahead and throw some music on here and let you watch me get ready for the day. Thank you so much for watching. I'll see you in the next video.